Hello students from class 2. Today I am Akhi ma'am. I will take your English class and all of you a very good morning. Okay students? Okay, good morning. Really a very good morning to all of you. Now all the class works are over. So now our turn today to practice all those works. Okay, whatever you have learned, whatever you remember today. Oh hi, thank you very much. I'm very fine. Yes, thank you. Yes. So now I am really very fine, and how are you, all of you? All of you, after so many days now we are here. So I am very fine, and tell me, how all are you? Yes, oh thank you. Oh Ritujit, here, yes, Upasha is there, wow, Pratushna is there, Reza is there, Purbayon, Sudeshna, wow, all you are fine. All of this, all of you are fine. Already I am hear it, and it is really very good for me, and also thank you. All you are very fine, very good. So, oh, Ahana is there, Shaptarshi is there, wow, Snigdha is there, very good. Purba, Pratyushna is there, Shomagni is there, wow, Shrestha is there. I am fine, already I told everybody. So, after so many days, now I meet with you. So, you just at first, today we will practice some works related with, what is the lesson number you know? So, who, what, where, which, when, we will just practice all those things. Yes students. Let's start our practice work. Okay, we will practice some works with multiple choice option. Let's see how you are doing. Let's start. Number 1, we will do, that is dash, is, the, that dash is that boy. So here we have that options. It is what, B option is which, C option is who, and D option is when. So what will be our correct answer? You will just write down in the chat box. Ma'am, only typing. Okay, only you will type at first. Also write down in your copy. You will also do that one. Okay. Purbayan is there. Wow, Purbayan. So nice picture it is. Okay. Sheikh Mohammed Wasim is there. Wow. Susan, Upasho. Okay, who? Very good. Susan, you can't see me. Beta, is there any problem in your camera or? Reza, okay, Reza, yes, you are Reza Khatun. I am seeing your name, already I remember that. All your name and your face always in my mind. আমার সব সময় আমার মাথার মধ্যে থাকে, কখনো তোমাদেরকে ভুলতে পারবো না আমি। ওকে, so you are write down who, those very good students, you are write down who, very good. So number C, it is our correct answer, who. Then number 2. Number 2, what we will do? Dash does he live or live? Dash does he live? Now I am giving the option what? Number B, where? Number C, who? And number D, when? What, where, who, when? Yes, correct. Very good, all of you. You are giving me the perfect answer. Yes. I'm impressive. Very good. You are practicing very well. Now I can understand. Samriddha is also there. Wow. Okay. So you are correct, all of you. So where does he live? That means B is the correct answer here. Where? Then number 3. We move to number 3. Let's see. Dash do you get up? Dash do you get up in the morning? Here already you have write down the answer to me. Very good. Now I'll give the options. That is when, B, what, C, where, and D, obviously it is which. Your answer already I got it from when I tell you that time I am got your answer. Very good. Okay. So first is A is the correct answer. When? When do you get up in the morning? Very good, students. Now I move to number 4. I'll erase the first one. And also second one. The question only. Oh, sorry, Reza. Sorry. Next, I will not erase all of this. Okay, yes, when? Shudeshna, you are also correct. So now, number 4, I will just give you the question. Dash teaches, T-E-A-C-H-E-S, teaches you music. A, what? B, when? B is where? C is who? And D, it is obviously which. Okay. So already I got the answer from you. Reza beta, I can't listen it the audio from your sound beta. Shudeshna, why you write down which beta, which is not the correct answer, because already when we tell anything, who is your class teacher, who is your mother, yeah, who is your father, who teaches you music, who teaches you dance, just like, who teaches you English, just like that, who. Okay, it is a human being. So, okay, very good. Who? Now, Sudeshna, very good. Who? So, number C. Who teaches you music? Oh, number 2 question. That it was number 2 question. It is already from your book. That is, where does he live? Reza? Okay. Where? Number 2 question was, where does he live? Question was dash, does he live? Dash, does he live? Yes. So, number 4 already completed we. You will also do the work very well. Now, we move to number, okay, most welcome, number 5. So, we move to number 5. Let's see what is going on. Dash, do you live? Dash, do you live? I know that the answer all you know. I just write down. The options are where, number B, what, number C, who, and number D, which. Answer, I know that everybody will write down the where. Very good. Now, after writing all of where, you will write down the answer. Where do you live? Where do you live? The answer will be, you will also write down the answer in your chat box. Okay? Now, Reza, it's okay? Number question 1 and option. Question 1, it was, who is that boy? Option will be 4, who is that boy? The dash is the boy, that boy. Options are A, who, B, what, C, where, D, when. After writing dash, do you live? We writing here, where do you live? So, where? W-H-E-R-E. So, where do you live? The answer will be, where do you live? Now, I am giving the question to you. You will write down, where do you live? Most welcome, Susan. Now you will give me the answer. Where do you live? The answer will be, where do you live, all the students? You live in where? Kolkata or any another place, or here? What you are, you will be answer, you will write down here. What will be the answer? You will just write down here. Yes, Saptarshi Kundu, perfectly he is writing. Then Purbayon, very good. Then Reza. Then let's one by one. Sekchand, very good. Then Upasho. Then Ahana. Then Susan. Okay. Then Shomriddha. Then Shomagni. Then Snigdha. Very good. Then Ritojit. Then Vasim. Then Shrestha. Pratyushna, Saptarshi, okay, Sudeshna, wow. So, yes, all your answer is correct. Whatever I am asked here, now I will erase that number 2 options and also number 3, okay. Then number 3. I'll just erase now. So number 6. Here will be number 6. Dash pencil is yours. Now giving the option here. Who? B. Where? C. Which? D. When? What will be the correct answer? Yes. All you are very good. Now you will write down by yourself. So that's why I am over here. Dash pencil is yours. Very good. So which pencil is your? All you have write down that correct answer to me. So number C. That is which pencil is your? Which pencil is yours? Very good. All you have write down this answer. Now next I'll just erase this work. So number 7 with us. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Dash give you this ball. What? Who? Where? Which? Sorry. Now give me the answer. Very good, very good. Which one question, Suzanne? Dash gave you this ball. Okay. Now, thank you, Pastor. So, Dash gave you this ball. What, who, where, which? I already got the answer. Thank you. That is, who gave you this ball? Very good. Who? All you have write down that who. W-H-O. That B is the correct answer here. Very good, students. Now, we have here also one more work we have, that is number 8. Okay? Dash do you have in your right hand? Options are A, Options now I am write down here. Now you will write down the answer by yourself. Thereafter I am writing the option here. Who, be, where, see, what. And D, when. Okay? Yes, all you are writing here. Very good. Okay, obviously. Yes, what it is the correct answer here. Very good. Dash do you have in your right hand? So, what do you have in your right hand? What? So, we have completed this 8 W8 question work with multiple choice, and all the students, I am very gladly, question number 7 option, Susan, question number 7 options are here. What, who, where, which. What, who, where, which. All you will, yes, what is the correct answer here? And I am very glad that all you have given me the correct answer. So, very good. Now, yes, okay. Good. What days you have leave in your hand? Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, you have completed, very good. Already checking we have here you have done. So, those who are submitting, okay. Good. Very good. Okay. Okay, present. You will give me the present kindly, P for present, because after that I will give the present to you. Yes, your work for. Thank you. Everybody are writing present. Yes, kindly give me the present, P for present. Okay. So, today's work up to this much, and this class also up to this much. Okay. So, everybody writing complete, then I will give tata, and everybody will give me the smile. Tata. Bye students. Bye bye. Tata.